How to use Street View in Google Maps on an Android phone. So start Google Maps, zoom into the desired location, let's say onto that street. Simply tap on the street, like so. A red dot was added, and this is the street view. So above this lower portion, which can be pulled up or pulled down, above that in the upper left corner, this is the street view, which has that circular arrow on it. So tap on that one and you can look around to see that zone, and tap back, zoom into a different location, let's say a different street, tap there. Street view is available in this case, and you can look around. Street view is not available in every location, so if you found a remote location, then that might not be photographed by Google's Street View. For example, if you tap there onto the green zone, there is no street view. On the majority of the roads we have street view, so above this portion there is no street view icon here. These are still images, these cannot be rotated. So that's how to use Street View on an Android phone to see how a certain location looks.